In the early 19th century, a Scottish inventor named William Cullen demonstrated the principles of refrigeration. However, it was not until 1834 when Jacob Perkins created the first practical refrigerating machine, revolutionizing food storage. This idea drastically changed the way people preserved food, especially in a time when spoilage was rampant. By the late 1800s, the development of home refrigerators began, bringing cold storage into the average household. As refrigeration technology advanced, it reshaped the global food industry, enabling long-distance transportation of perishable goods. This marked a turning point in the way societies consumed food and led to innovations in agriculture and culinary practices around the world.